In our childhood, whenever we got sleepless at night, we will get up, go to our mother, wake her up and say, "Mom, I can't sleep, Mom." She will instantly give up on her sleep and ask, "What happened, son? Are you feeling all right?" And after making sure we were okay, she will often let us sleep by her side. As time passed and we grew up, our mother also grew old. Now she often lies awake at night. Our mother doesn't want to disrupt the sleep of her child in the first place. But even if she makes this mistake sometimes, her children advise her to take medication and go back to sleep. Actually, childhood and old age are a lot alike. In both these ages, the heart gets distressed on any unknown fear. However, when a mother puts the head of a distressed crying child in her lap and caresses it with her hands, the child instantly feels at ease. Maybe we have never understood. Medicine is not always the answer to anxiety. Sometimes parents too need our hands. Think and ponder. Have we ever woken up at night to check on our parents as to whether they are sleeping soundly, or in those bleak nights of old age are reminiscing about the love they got from their mother in their childhood?
One who pleases his parents pleases Allah. One who pleases his parents pleases Allah.